Hello and welcome to the Faisal channel. In our new lesson, or in our new tutorial, we're going to cover how to create a clipping mask in Illustrator, or how to make a mask in Adobe Illustrator. For example, let's say you have a specific image or a certain object in Illustrator. You want to crop its edges or take a specific shape or part from it, depending on the shape you need or the desired shape. Alright, let's get started. Here, I'm using Illustrator CC. The file we have, the color mode can be CMYK or RGB, depending on whether your file is intended for print, digital, or online use. For now, we're working in CMYK mode. Alright, here we have a picture, this beautiful rose image. We can enlarge it a bit just to make the explanation clearer. Okay, here we have a specific shape, which is a square with curved edges on all sides. We want to take a part of the image in the shape, in this exact shape. You can make it bigger or smaller, depending on the shape you want. First, the shape you selected, or the shape you want, needs to be placed on top of the image. I mean, exactly above the part you want to take, just like this. Okay, it doesn't matter if it's in color or any color, or even if it's all of it, it will take it. So, we need to select both the image and the shape. Then we go to Object, which is shortcut Command +7 or Control +7. Yeah, we click on the shape in this image. Alright, as you can see, it took it. The shape of the image, or its edges, or its curve. Now we can make the image bigger or smaller. I select the arrow, which is the group selection tool. This one or the arrow. The arrow with the points, which is the white arrow if you hold down, all the arrows show up. Okay, I choose this one. I come here. I can make it bigger. I can make it smaller. It's exactly the same as the mask shape I took, or the shape that I needed. I can also, for example, add a stroke to it in a certain color. Let's say we make it white. Yeah, here we can increase it like this. Now it's white, as you can see. We can also add a drop shadow to all of this. A feather, anything. Basically, it all applies to our shape. As we can see, it's done. Now it has a drop shadow. Now it has a white stroke. Alright, and you can also cut out a specific part of the flower image, like the beautiful blue rose, or the red rose, depending on the occasion. That was our explanation of how to create a clipping mask or a mask in Illustrator, this amazing app that's really, really great. This method helps and makes your work easier in the future, especially in advanced stages when you start making ads, doing resizing, and so on. You can shrink large images to a very specific size. It's really great. Clipping Mask, thank you so much for watching, and follow us for upcoming lessons. Thank you.